Bitcoin and Litecoin, critical levels. What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. I hope everyone's having a fabulous Monday. This is going to be a really fast video. We're just going to go through some targets and some key areas to watch to let us know where we might be headed. I'm running low on time this morning, so don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section down below. That'll get you entered to win a free t-shirt this Sunday. And don't forget to check out the free links in the description below the video. There's a free Discord in there. Free $25 worth of ABRA, free $10 worth of crypto for Coinbase. Check those out if you get a chance, and let's get on with the video.
1, 2, 3, go!
Alright guys, as always, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and my view of the market only. Anybody that's doing any investing or any trading in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research, as this market can be extremely volatile and risky. Also, keep in mind that it's still a speculative market. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose. With that being said, if you're new here or you haven't already, hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand side of the screen to get you subscribed to the channel. Click the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos so you don't miss out on anything, which I post every day. Smash those likes, leave your comments down below, let me know what you think. It also gets you entered to win the free t-shirt. So, alright, looking at Litecoin on the daily, looking at this still as a cup and a handle possibly forming with the excuse me, with the neckline at $97, $98, somewhere in that range. And if we are to break back up through there, my target's 179. That doesn't mean that we're going straight up there, guys. That just means that's where the target for the cup and handle would be, and it could be months. So anyways, now looking at the daily RSI, this rising channel, which we've fallen out of here, come back up in. I believe we could come back down and touch it again or continue up from here, but I do see us continuing up, guys. Obviously yesterday I thought we were going to move up a little bit quicker than we are, but my opinion still hasn't changed on that. I still believe we have further to go. We look at the 4-hour RSI here. We had this falling wedge here, which we popped out of over here. And now we have another falling wedge here, which we're coming up to the top of now. And I believe if that breaks, you know, we might come up a little bit, come back down, test it, and shoot back up. So I definitely do see some more upward movement. And let's look at the possibilities, guys. We're going to first take a look at the bear scenario, which I only have one target on that for here, or one target on here for that. Sorry. All right, and that target is the measured move off of this channel, which we were in for a long time, broke out of, came back down in, broke out of, come back down in. And also you can see there's a channel here, seems to be forming. But I do want to do the measured move out of here where we've broke down again out of here. And that gets us to the $60 range, which would also be the bottom of this target here. So definitely keep an eye on that, guys. But I do believe we're probably going to pop back in here into this channel and come up. But if we don't, the measured move going down from here is right in the $60 range. Now, if you can see, let me zoom in here. This is the line I'm watching for that here. So if we break down below the $70.50 range, then I believe we're coming down to that $60 target. But now let's take a look at the bullish scenario, which I'm leaning more towards. If we take a measured move off of that channel that I just showed you right here, the measured move off this channel, my target would be the $98 range up here, which would also be old resistance over here. This target here, the 88.50 range, would be if we come up here, that would be the top of this channel. And then if we were to break through this channel, my next measured move is this flagpole here. Looking at this as a giant flag, and we measure the flagpole, put it up here, and that gives us a target of the 117 area. All right, let's go on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, same thing, giant cup and handle, it looks like. This would be the cup and forming the handle now. The neckline is right here at the 50 56.55 range, and the measured move off of that is gone. Where's my measured move off that? I'm gonna have to throw another one in there. I don't have time to redo the video, so I'm gonna do this real quick. So we would take a measured move to the bottom of the cup here, bring it up to where we're breaking out, and we're definitely having some resistance in this area right now. So my measured move off that is 8,200. And guys, I've said in the videos before, I don't see us going straight to that, but that could be sometime in August, somewhere in that area. So keep that in mind. We're going to take a look at the RSI daily now and see what we're looking at there. Obviously, I had this rising channel drawn in here. I had this wedge ball or symmetrical wedge, symmetrical triangle drawn in here. Let me zoom in a little bit, which we've popped out of, came back in twice now, and now we're touching the bottom of that again. So I do believe this is where we're getting our bounce. We're going to move up. If we're going to do it, it's going to be now. So let's look at that. Was that the 4 hour? Yeah, that was the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the daily first real quick. And in the daily, obviously, same thing, the rising channel, which we dipped out of a little bit here. And I believe we're going to continue on up. There is room to come down, so we have to keep that in mind. But let's look at the... And again, guys, I apologize for this video being a little bit different than normal, but like I said, I'm running low on time, just trying to get it over with real quick. And my computer doesn't want to cooperate with me, so anyways, here we are. We're going to look at the targets and the key areas to watch. And the key areas to watch now are, as you can see, I have this rising channel here that we've been in since April, from that April 1st $1,000 wick there. And then I have this trend line drawn in here, and we seem to be resting on that now and testing it, which also we are right at the 56.55 range, that neckline of the cup and handle. If we do break down, guys, I have this channel in here, which also is part of that trend line right here. The bottom of that would be 5,300. So definitely, if we break down past this 55.75 range, then I believe we're going to be coming down towards a 5,300. And this is the bearish scenario, guys. I'm still leaning bullish here, but we definitely got to look at the bearish scenario. So be looking at 5,300, and if that breaks, my next target would be the bottom of this bigger channel, which is 51.36. Guys, if we break below that, the measured move of this channel is the 4,400 area. Now, again, if we do go down, I see it being one of these two targets before getting continued rise up. I don't see us coming down to here, but it's definitely a possibility we have to keep in mind. Now, let's look at the bullish scenario, which I'm leaning more towards. The measured move of this channel going up is the $65.50 to $6,600 range, which would also get us to the top of this trend line that I have drawn here. And this is what I believe to be more likely now. I do still believe, I said it in both weekend videos that I thought we were going to go up and touch this weekend, and we have not, but I do believe we're still headed that way. And the next measured move would be measuring the flagpole here, this being a bull flag, and the measured move of $7,000, which, guys, would probably be towards the end of this month. We would obviously hit this target first, maybe come back down, test this, and then come back up. So yeah, that's my targets for now. If you guys enjoyed the video and you haven't subscribed already, you can click the Crypto Savvy logo above my head. That'll get you subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. Smash those likes, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.